OpenAI's ChatGPT 5 disappointed most people, and when Google released Gemini 3, it was found much better. OpenAI has recently introduced ChatGPT 5.2 to counter that. As per OpenAI, overall GPT 5.2 brings significant improvements in general intelligence, long context understanding, agentic tool calling, and vision, making it better at executing complex real world tasks end to end than any previous model. It is supposed to be significantly good in helping managers. So let us put it to a test. Rather than what it does, let us see how it does. Here I am on ChatGPT. Default is 5.2 instant. We can choose the model thinking. I have already uploaded a project resources into this. I will provide the resource list as here and provide it the requirements so that it can generate the project plan. You are a project manager for an investment bank. You are given the requirements for a new project along with the resources with their skills. Create a detailed project plan that includes task number, task name, description, start date, end date, etc. Submit for UAT within 3 months and complete UAT and final acceptance within 1 month. Let us run this. So it has opened the project resources, thinking, building a project plan with timelines and resources. Final acceptance will be within a month, that is April 15, 2026. That is 1 month after UAT. Generating project plan with tasks and resources. It shows what it is thinking, even the mistakes it is making, as well as how it is correcting them, so that you get visibility into its thinking process. It will take some time, so let me fast forward. It is even fixing the print formatting, outlining project phases and tasks. Okay, the detailed project plan is ready. It took 3 minutes 25 seconds. It gives the assumptions about the starting date of 15th December, submission by 15th March 2026, and final acceptance by 15th April 2026. So here is the detailed project plan. Task name, description, start date, end date, resources, dependency. It is also allocated the resources like Ryan, Peter here, Andrew, Kelly, Minal. Final acceptance and project closure. Formal acceptance with the resources like project manager and the dependencies as well. Milestone dates, it has given the 10 milestones from kickoff to final acceptance. So ChatGPT 5.2 does a great job of creating a project plan, thinking thoroughly, being transparent in its thinking, and providing you the final output in proper format. Hi, I am Ganapati Devappa, a premier instructor on Udemy with more than 10,000 students and a 4.5 instructor rating. My latest course, Generative AI for Managers and Leaders on Udemy, highlights the importance of early AI adoption through practical use cases. ROI, return on investment based strategies, and risk management frameworks. You can enroll using the exclusive coupon link in the video description below. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates on the latest in AI and technology. See you in the next video.